Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Beautiful Rebel. I look crazy right now, like super crazy. When I'm in work mode, I look ridiculous. Y'all probably see my Coke bottle glasses. I'm blind, but I'm not that blind. So let me answer the questions already because another questions are coming. I got my eye tested when I was trying to apply for TSA. I believe a year or two ago. So I had my contacts and my prescription wasn't updated, so my contacts was kind of low. So according to TSA, you need to have a clean drug test, perfect vision, and they do like a hearing test. Passed all the tests but the vision test, so I had to go back and get glasses. Now when I went back to get my eye tested from the eye doctor, the optometrist, I just needed a pair of glasses just to verify that I wear glasses, and I really wasn't going to use the glasses, but in order to pass the TSA test, I had to make the doctor write like, hey, this is the prescription, this is the glasses, she's good to go. So I did all of that, did all the appeal for the vision, and the moment they swiped my insurance card to get me, you know, my free pair of glasses, they told me it's the new law, I have to pay like $300 to shave down the frame. And I said no, because I'm never gonna wear my glasses. So said, so be done. I probably jinxed myself, because not only did I said F the TSA job, but around March, before I left for my birthday to Tulum, my eyes started itching me like crazy. When I came back from the vacation, I got a slight fever. I was itching, sneezing. I'm not itching. So, yeah, rubbing my eyes, my itchy eyes, sneezing, eye running watery, fever for like 3 to 4 days. Just to find out that I have now gotten seasonal allergies, which I feel I gotten from the COVID shot, because I've never had seasonal allergies before. Not only was I irritated by seasonal allergies in Mexico, but I've come to the realization that I'm actually allergic to hazelnut, because one of my favorite chocolates on top of the line is Ferrero Rocher. And I realized when I was in Mexico, when I bought the 3-pack, I ate it and my throat was itchy. But I just thought I was bugging. I just thought it was Mexican chocolate, to be honest. But then when I came back up here and I was eating the Ferrero Rocher, I noticed my throat gets a little itchy. Then I tried these snacks called Bamba from Trader Joe's, my other job, whatever, and it made my throat itchy too. So I know now I'm allergic to the hazelnut. But anyways, long story short, I'm back. I'm gonna try to stay back. I know y'all seen my goals in the beginning of the year. I accomplished 2 out of the 3 goals that I set, and I have a lot for next year, but I don't want to speak on it. I'm just gonna do it. And yeah, so if you already see me now, you already know by the title, Mama going to Jamaica. So the Jamaican vlogs are back. When I'm dropping this vlog, I want to do it actually when I'm in Jamaica. So probably when this vlog is dropped, I'll be there. This episode of Jamaica is going to be totally exciting for me. I don't know if I should post it or let you post the title above if it's not there. I'm not gonna say it. If I feel like I'm gonna say it, I'll probably say it down the line and I'll put it in the freaking title. But I haven't been to Jamaica since 2019, March 2019, when I went to Kaunu, since COVID. Was it March? Yes, it was March 2019, since COVID. And my father has been banning me from coming to Jamaica. So not only am I, 1, the Christmas gift, 2, well, not the Christmas gift, I'm not only the Christmas gift, 1, the Christmas gift, 2, I'm gonna be seeing my half brother that looks like my father's twin for the first time. Never met him before. We're always talking on the phone, but this is the first time I'm actually meeting him. And 3rd, the other big surprise, which is gonna be maybe in the title, maybe not, or probably the next title, or probably at the end of this video. Y'all never know. Like I said, if I decide to put it in, y'all will see it. So back with the Jamaica vlogs. I know y'all miss me in Jamaica, and I'm back with a bang. This Christmas is gonna be very special to me. One of my goals, I'm not gonna speak on it, which I didn't get to do, was gonna have me miss out this Christmas, but I told myself, you know what, I'm gonna push it back, and I'm gonna just go straight to Jamaica, because I can't miss the moment that I'm gonna miss, that might be in the title or in the next title or somewhere in the video. I can't miss that moment. I have to cherish it. And then after this year, it's just like whatever. If I go to Jamaica, I don't. I do. Whatever. Yeah, I would have gotten more vlogs, but because I pushed that video away, I pushed that video to the side, that goal to the side, I wasn't able to give y'all more content, because to be honest, I would be probably uploading what day is today? Today's the 22nd. So I probably been uploading mad videos during one of my goals, and then I'd have been coming home, little hints, the 24th or the 25th of December from what I had to do. So I'm pushing that back. I got into a little hiccup with the Mexico vlog. That story is coming soon. I'm thinking about dropping the videos before that, but I have to deal with a lot of processes of dropping that video. So yeah, I have to speak to my lawyer, all that. And then we're gonna go forward, because next year it's bigger and better. I got so much stuff planned by the grace of God. No weapons against me, formed against me shall prosper. So any bad mind people, bad mind y'all, any bad mind smaddy who's coming on this video to talk they ish, I'm gonna reverse whatever you put on me, whatever bad vibes you put on me, bad words, bad blessings, back onto you by the grace of God. And yeah, we're gonna do the do. So welcome to the Jamaica vlogs, and I'm back at it. Now I'm about to go get my toes done. I think I might go pick up a pair of Air Forces for my dad. And I'm not gonna lie, vlogging is kind of weird on the hands for me. I miss vlogging, but I've been busy. I will be busy next year too, but we're not gonna speak on that. And yeah, how y'all liking my scrubs? How y'all liking my scrubs? Thanks. Feel me? So I know a lot of people are gonna ask about my career choices as well. That's in the works. Right now I'm doing another career. Well, not really. Well, yeah, career, because it's a career for a lot of people. I'm not doing a CNA. I'm actually a phlebotomist right now. That's the process of drawing blood, you know, when you go to the doctor. Pays really freaking good in New York. Anything that's medical pays mad good in New York. And I needed it to do my nursing. So it's helping me. I made a lot of money. I met a lot of new people. And yeah, my job is the best. I'm not gonna lie, I just got off the phone with what I want to do with my career. So yeah, so 2023 is my year. That's my first time I'm gonna do a hibernation mode. So I'm gonna try to cut out social media, cut out, well, I cut out partying this whole year. I didn't really party like that, nor travel. I only went to Mexico. But a lot of stuff is gonna be cut out. New relations, new vibes, new people, you know? So stay tuned for all these videos, all these updates that's coming real soon. I'm so excited. Y'all can see the excitement on my face. But yeah, like me say, any bad mind people will watch. I love pre. Yeah, anything up upon me, I put it right back upon you. Bow! Because I'm God's favorite. Anyways, humbly and respectfully though, because people don't like all the extraness. But yeah, talk to y'all in a sec. I'm about to mix these specimens that I have to send out to the lab from home. So FedEx has to come get it and fill out some paperwork. And then I'm about to get my ass dressed and ready to go to the nail salon, do my toes. Don't mind this wig. This is just my throw-on wig. It's the same wig. This is the same wig from Mexico. Hated it. So now I just throw it on and go to work. It's not glued down, so I put the hat on. And it is raining and cold outside, so I needed the hat anyways. But yeah, I do not recommend that wig in the last video, if you could see it. It was just hell in Mexico, that when I came back, I legitimately just cut it into bob form, which is very cute in bob form, but once it dry up and ting, in a good. But anyways, done with the rambling. Talk to y'all in a sec. See, they always acting up. Oh. Hey bitches, sometimes to the airport. We made it to the airport. Woo! What the fuck? What's going on? I'm scared. They block off right here. NYPD, what's going on? With the little Christmas ears, what's going on?
Imagine if I just went that way.
What you mean?
I should have just went around.
We in the airport.
So where are we supposed to go?
Girl, I don't know. What's good with this 250, y'all?
I guess we're supposed to just
Go up and go back up.
Yeah.
So we hit the airport. Me and my 100 suitcases. My face look fat. We not doing this. We not bizarre it. We not bizarre it.
Watch out.
Actually, we not bizarre it. You know, but she got money when she got a bonnet and a macash. I'm dead. Anyways, bye. Made it to the airport. Flight delayed.
This is the gate change announcement.
Oh, my son is calling me.
Again, this is the gate change announcement for all customers trying to
Chapel always delaying flight.
with Burlington. Please make your way to gate number 2. Gate number 2 and gate departure.
Yeah. That's finally.
Back with the
For those of you just joining us, good morning.
on the plane. So far I got the road to myself. Last time I checked I was on the road by myself, but other people decide to come next to me, which one I like. But yeah, I'm just looking for my bag. Trying to find my damn bag. All 3. And yeah.
Those larger bags and those smaller bags you have.
Outside and I'm on them outside.
Should be
Yeah, dumb. Give a couple more days, I'm gonna turn black like tar, then your cast them in the come from a friend. Right? I'm skin cool. They're gonna be like, oh shit. Brown in. Fresh. I can just give me a money. What Kim? You remember Kim? Kim, you see the some flag? Yeah, they pass some flag, you know? Yeah, they put a lot of flag. So I still gotta stay in Kingston. Gotta wait for one more piece of luggage. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm hungry, but you know, God knows I'm hungry for children, you know. All I ate on the plane was a donut and a soda.
Yeah, but look at Christmas gift and soda.
No, I'm not gonna fuck no more. I'm done with the weights. So, I really want a cheese patty. Fuck the KFC. I'm in KFC later on in life. I want a cheese patty so bad. And cheese patty, I want a shrimp patty. I want to call it. Woo! I'm bigger. Jesus Christ. Murder. I'm posting everything in my close friends, so nobody, only my people in America. I don't talk to the same people I'm not talk to now. I'm gonna talk to them. As I'm editing this video, I just realized that my frontal was sliding back. Trust me, I did not know until I hit Port Antonio, probably like hours later into the next day. So yeah. And I have KFC in Mallow. Kim get zinger. What is in that bag?
Free fries.
That's how fries come in the bag. Kim get zinger. I got barbecue wings, so. Fries and cola fuck.
Stone, darling.
Yo, I'm not a chicken sandwich type of person. And I should have showed you the first bite, but. KFC zinger. Oh my god. This is Kim food. They messed up my food. And I took a bite of Kim food because I'm hungry. So he went back to go fix my wings. Because they gave me hot and spicy instead of barbecue wings. Like, who does that? That shit slap. That shit is not good, but yeah, probably wondering why I'm still in Kingston and not going to Port Antonio. So after 28 long years, My mother is in Jamaica to see my dad. Woo! So my dad doesn't know, and we're gonna surprise him. He don't know that I'm here. He knows I'm coming to Jamaica. He just don't know what day. He thinks he's coming to pick me up. So, you know, I kind of set it up where Cam picks me up, and we gonna roll in 2 cars deep. And yeah, and that's why I haven't really been recording a lot, because I had to pack 6 suitcases, legitly. I only brought 1 suitcase of myself, and like the rest is of my mom and my dad. So yeah, and the house is getting fixed up too. We done send out like bar rails and TV. I got a new bed. My mom made a new bed for my dad room, and yeah, so we lit. He's probably gonna cry. Also, y'all might see my half brother. My brother on my dad's side. This is my first time I'm meeting him, as well as him meeting me and my mom. So yeah, we do talk on the phone though, so you know, we kind of know each other a little. But I'm just here waiting, trying not to eat Cam food at all. For some reason I'm here and I'm usually talking American. Usually when I'm here I talk bare patois, but for some reason I just been talking like straight American. Like I'm barely talking patois at all. I gotta keep looking around because, you know, I got this phone, I mean this camera, and I'm not really too new people, and I can stand up and nobody rob me, you know? So talk to you when I talk to y'all. My mother land in a few hours, well an hour. So yeah, bye.
Them boy don't got no bodies. Me no star girl, me have vastly. Have a Spain town girl love call me. I'm a big woman girl.